I noticed with my bike that when I give throttle and I let it off, it still feels like the engine's engaged and it's not revving down properly. So I can rev it to, let's say, 4,000, 5,000. When I let off the throttle, it will hover at 3,000 and then slowly work its way down back to just below 2,000. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So let me fire it up. Okay. So you see we're at 2,000. Here's a flip. You notice it stays at 3,000 for a little bit, and then it drops down to idle. So I'll do it again. So, not sure why it's doing that, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys can let me know how it works and what's going on.